Hi, my name's Grant Dixon. I'm a trial lawyer and I've been representing victims in personal injury matters for well over 20 years. I get asked questions all the time, sometimes friends and family, sometimes clients or on the internet, and I have one of those questions here for you. How do I get the most for my car repair? This is one of the secrets in property damage claims in which you want to get the most amount of money for your car repair. The secret is to get two estimates. One from a shop that you know is very reputable but oftentimes expensive. And then you go to the shop that you've heard from your friends is the best and have them compare those two estimates. The insurance company will always select the cheaper of those two estimates. At Dixon Law Office, we've been representing victims in personal injury matters for over 20 years, and we can represent you, but you need to call us first. Our phone number is 888-354-9880, or contact us on the web at attorneysmakingitright.com. Because when everything goes wrong, we make it right.